Hey Kaza Nation, real quick Kaza flip file for you here in one of our renovation houses. Just had our countertops put in a couple of days ago, and as you can see, those countertops are already being used by the contractors. So it is critically important that when you have the countertops put in, that someone, either the granite or countertop supplier or your other contractor, put in some protection over top of this new granite. As you can see, tools will be put on top of it, garbage will be put on top of it, and they will get destroyed in a matter of hours if they're not protected. The way we've gotten people to finally get it through their heads is to make them come back 3 or 4 times to hone, polish, and re-clean all the countertops if they get scratched, and always insist on having them put protection on top as soon as they've been installed. But sometimes they have to go through the pain to get it drilled into their head that it's got to be done. But it would be in your best interest to stop by either the day of or the day after countertop installation and make sure that someone has at least cut some cardboard and put it down over top of your fresh new countertops to keep them from getting all damaged. Same thing with hardwood floors. That's pretty common. Most hardwood guys take the boxes that the hardwood comes in, cut them up and put it over top of the floors, but not every countertop or granite company thinks of it. So definitely worth you thinking of it and making your guys do it, and making someone do it to make sure that your pretty new countertops stay pretty and new. So that's it for today. Your quick advice. Anything else we can help with, check us out, KazaInvestorNetwork.com. Hit us up. Be glad to help. As always, Kaza Investor Network. See you next time.